Hello everyone. 50th question. If 2 cross 2 identity matrix is multiplied with 2 cross 2 matrix A, what it gives? So 1 0 0 1 is a identity matrix. If it is multiplied with A, B, C, D, what it gives? Anta. Matrix idu A matrix ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So idu A. 1 into A is A, 0 into C is 0. And next, 1 into B is B, 0 into D is 0. 0 plus C is 0 plus D. So, idu A, B, C, D agate. So, which is A itself. Hagagi, option B is our answer. Thank you.